What we're looking at here is the Monarch mill site. It's just west of the city of Atlanta. It's just kind of right on the border of the town. We're looking at the foundation for the mill, kind of looking south and west a little bit, mostly south. See the nice stonework for the rock wall are all hand fitted, predominantly granite boulder or rocks that built the foundation. Is very stable. There is a bit of machinery in and around the foundation and up on top. The mill is all collapsed. It may have burned at one time. It's hard to say. But we're out on the tailings. It's very fine material from the mill, probably flotation, and maybe jig tailings. It's hard to say. A sample was taken. This site number will be E80401-1, and the sample will be -2. So we're just panning around to the west here, looking at the real light material where the grass and such has not revegetated very well. Several real light spots that are very obvious out on this flat. I estimated it's approximately 400 feet by 400 feet. That may be a little bit big, but that's approximately the size of the tailings, and they may be several feet thick. It's hard to say. I've not dug down into it to see how deep they could be, but they're several feet at least. So it's got a gated road coming down to the mill, Forest Service gate put there just to keep people from coming down here and doing any damage. But we'll go over close to the rock wall there, to the foundation walls, and look at some of the old machinery now. Here we're right at the rock foundation for the Monarch mill. There's some old machinery that's just right off of the wall. You see the wall right here. We're almost within a foot or two of the wall. We're just going to pan around to the north now and look kind of at the flat from this perspective. There's more scrap metal and machinery, and we're just going to pan around the flat just to get another perspective. It's pretty hard to get a real good idea of how big it is from this point of view, but it is quite a large flat of mill tailings, and the kind of tailings is, to me, kind of a mystery. It probably is flotation, but there may be jig tailings involved there. And again, you see more bits and pieces of machinery in and around there's another big pile kind of in the brush right there adjacent to the rock foundation. So just to give an idea of what the size of this mill was, that's right adjacent to the city of Atlanta. More or less, for completeness sake, it's all on private ground here. I don't know what the main plan for dealing with these tailings is, but we got a sample of it and we'll run it. There's no water draining through here, so water is not a problem. The Boise River, East Fork, or the Middle Fork of the Boise River, is just to the north of us. It kind of goes around the tailings pile here, so that may be an issue. But at this point, no samples of the river will be taken. So this will be it for the Monarch mill site. It's E80401-1.